Of Liverpool Victoria Car Insurance Review, honest user experience and in-depth look. Finding reliable car insurance can be confusing, but Love Liverpool Victoria offers tailored coverage and digital management tools. I tested their policies personally, and here's my honest review. Most people assume all insurers are similar, but the surprising truth is Love provides flexible options for coverage, including comprehensive, third-party fire and theft, and third-party only, with add-ons like breakdown assistance and legal protection. Getting a quote was easy. I entered my details online and received multiple options with clear breakdowns of premiums, excesses and benefits. Managing policies, renewing or making claims online was straightforward, with a user-friendly portal and responsive support. The standout feature was a combination of competitive pricing with transparent terms. Claims handling was efficient, and I felt well supported throughout the process. The downside? Some optional extras can increase the cost significantly, so it's important to review what you really need. Also, not all of A locations have the same pricing, so it pays to compare quotes. In conclusion, Of Liverpool Victoria is a reliable, flexible and customer-friendly car insurance provider. Its combination of transparency, digital tools and strong support makes it a solid choice for drivers in the UK.